Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So this just came out of the restoration shop. This is probably an 1880 to 1901 strongbox. It's called a Fireproof strongbox. These were used to ship money, important documents. You would also keep them in your store to keep documents and money or gold. Super nice piece. It's all cast iron. It's 55 pounds, so this little booger weighs a bit. What we decided to do with this one is to do it more like it came from the factory. Instead of putting a bunch of extra graphics on it or Wells Fargo, etc., I wanted to do it in a factory style, so that's what we did. Beautiful gloss black. We did some nice pinstriping on it. I acquired a nice early lock that will come with it. You'll see it in the stills. Jeff, come up here, let me show you, as well as we striped the interior of it. There's the front, the panel inside here. And we did, come on in here, just show them in here. And we carpeted everything in a nice black carpet inside of it. So it's really nice and clean. And we put a gold bar in it, which I am actually going to include in the purchase. The gold bar goes with the strongbox. Nice little strongbox, super pretty, 55 pounds, fireproof, comes with a lock, comes with a gold bar. Super nice, and it can be yours. We'll get this in a double box so nothing happens to it and get it delivered to your door. And we want to thank everybody for watching our videos, because you guys chime in on a daily basis, tell us how much information you're getting from them as well as the enjoyment you're getting out of them. And we'd like to say thank you for watching them. We get tons of reviews and we'll keep shooting them if you keep watching them. Thank you, folks.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.